In this task, we need to create a job, and that job needs to install any package on storage server. So if I click on Jenkins, click on this users, so you can have you can see storage server information. Then once you log in, click on new item, create a job. Actually, click on create a job, and then you need to, the job name should be install iPhone packages. Okay, this one, freestyle. So it needs to have one string parameter. So while running the job, we can give the package name, and it should be installed on storage server. So scroll down, you can see add build step. You can choose execute shell. Now you need to construct a command. So before this one, let's add a parameter. So parameter should be string. So it should be package. No default value, you can leave it as is. If you want, you can give. Click on save, configure again, scroll down. Now we need to use execute shell. Okay, I already did that. Okay, that's fine. You can add it here. What we can do, we can either set up passwordless authentication with the keys, or we can simply construct a command like this to install it. So this one sshpass, so we are giving a password. Of course, in production it's not recommended, we don't use passwords in plain text flow, so we can set up a passwordless authentication, or either we can store passwords in credentials. That's fine. For this one we can use this one. So we are going to use sshpass, so -p, and we're giving password here, and then this sh-o or strict no or strict host key checking equal no. What does it mean actually? If you come back, if you run natasha at the right ststr01, so it's gonna ask for yes or no, right? This one. So in this case, if you use no, so it automatically takes it as yes. So we don't need to enter. While running this command, we won't be there to press yes, right? And then username and the server name, and then we are going to use echo to print this content, and then we are giving this content to the sudo yes, takes it as a password. So then it installs this package. So let's copy this and save it. So if you run this, it's going to ask for a password, so I'm going to install Vim. I'll show you that. Before that, if I go to uh, so we are at storage server. If I use Vim, it says command not found. So once you run this build, this job, this one is going to install that Vim package inside the storage server. This is one of the simple tasks to practice Jenkins. Let it done. I'm gonna pause the video. See, finished to success. Even if you go to the build, you can see the same output here as well. Now if you go back, if you run the command vim again, now it's working. Earlier it said command not found. So if we check the task results, it's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.